Okay, first one of the day is this Harley. This is a new client with his unloved Harley. He's admitted he has never cleaned it since he's owned it from new. It is a 23 plate. This is in for a full works package. He did want a full Monty, but I managed to talk him into some ceramic protection. More than anything, it needs a lot of polishing. All these gloss bits, they've all scratched up. Air cleaner cover, all these swing arms, I'll get the light out, they're all scratched up. All that's going to get a two-stage machine polish, as well as the paint work. We're going to get this engine all minted up. As it's got a few miles and a bit of wear and tear, I will mist this motor with the XCP corrosion protection. I'll have to paint that exhaust somewhat first, as it's got quite a bit of rust on it already. The rest of it's all going to get ceramic. So once I've done the two-stage polish on all these gloss bits, including the wheels, they will get airbrushed ceramic on every nook and cranny, forks, wheels, all the body work, like I said, any gloss bits. But we've got lots of detailing to do first. Chain guard, all this is all scratched up. Like I said, it's proper filthy. So wish me luck, give me a few hours. Once this is washed, decontaminated, degreased, debugged, etc., we get it in the studio, and that's when we crack on with some proper detailing. Like I said, this is going to get one of our legendary full works packages. Lots of detailing to do. Let's crack on. Okay, back in the studio with this Harley now. She's been fully washed, decontaminated, debugged, degreased. Now time to crack on with some detailing. We've got a bit of rust appearing on the pipes there. That needs a bit of a polish. More than anything, this frame is looking really dull, scratched. I don't know whether he's had saddlebags on it previously, but that looks terrible. Like I said, all this, I mean, look at this. This is supposed to be gloss. I don't know whether that's his legs rub or he's had saddlebags, but all this is going to get a proper two-stage machine polish before we touch it with any ceramic. No sense in ceramicing over that. Paintwork's going to get a nice polish. Look, good old silver doesn't really show the marks like black. Oh, there you go. Black does, but all that's going to get polished. Every little bit of chrome, every little bit of gloss black is going to get polished before we apply any ceramic. Got a bit of staining on the top of those cylinders there. We'll see if I can get that off. Lots of detailing to do. And this exhaust, I've lightly rubbed that down. We're going to dust that with a bit of heat, satin black, and then we'll crack on with some polishing. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Alright, cracking on with a bit of machine polishing. Just polished this chain guard. Look at the difference. Still not perfect by any means, but look at that. You wouldn't have noticed, it looks like it's just a flat black, but it should be nice and glossy. A bit more polishing on this, and then we'll crack on with the rest of it. Well, there you go. It's just over 3.5 hours. This Harley has been fully trotted, and looking freaking sweet. Look at the gloss on those wheels. This has had one of our full works packages. Like I said earlier, I don't think this bike had ever been cleaned, if not in a long time. So we've done a full snow foam safe wash to remove any contaminants. Everything's been thoroughly blow dried. All your switch gear, anything I think might have a little water sitting there has all been thoroughly blow dried. Removed the seat, we've cleaned up underneath the seat, and then we cracked on with a load of detailing. We polished up each and every one of these bits. All your painted body work, all this black, your belt cover, your swing arm, all these, everything has been meticulously polished once, twice, even mirror polished up the levers there. All the wheels have been prepped then. We then put the Ultimax Signature Pro, which is a 5-year protectant ceramic on these wheels. Look at the gloss on those. They've had the Signature Pro. We then use the Signature Quartz on all the bodywork. Look at the freaking gloss on that. It is like a mirror. All these painted bits have all had the Signature Quartz. Like I said, that is a self-healing ceramic, so should help with any fine scratches in the future. Even your turn signals. All done, just under 4 hours. Get yours booked in now. Best time to get your bike done is when you buy one of these new. Prevent any corrosion, any damage over the English winters. But this one's been revived, now fully protected for the years ahead. Like I said, we're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.